Let's take a look at another way to generate textures in ImagePrint Black UV. Today we're going to take a look at how to deal with vector-based images and spot colors. So when we have a vector-based image with spot colors, I'm going to go ahead and load one onto the layout window here. And I'm going to right mouse click this, and we're going to go to our ADA Compose window. Now this is a pretty large image, so it's going to take a little bit to analyze it, pull out all the elements of the image. Okay, once we have generated the texture based on all the spot colors, and they're all on right now, what I want to do is turn on and off spot colors until I get the look of what I want elevated in this image. Now over here on the right is a real-time update of the actual texture that's going to be built from this graphics file. So what I'm going to go and do is start turning off some of the spot color layers until I get to the place I want. No, we want that one on. We'll turn that one off. There we go. All right, so now this is what my texture file is going to look like. And you can see that it picks up all the shading of spot colors as well. So we've got the rods and the reels being elevated, the logo up here being elevated, certain aspects of the fish, and the background scenery as well. So when I'm happy with the representation of that graphics file, all I have to do is hit apply. And now that texture file is automatically generated and ready to be used. If I come into my composite settings of this image now, we can see that the texture file was put in place. And all I have to do now is set the height from the highest part of the image, set my other layers, say OK, and it's ready to be printed. Let's go ahead and take a look at another file. So here we have another graphic file. And I'm going to do the same thing, right mouse click, go into my ADA Compose window. And it's going to analyze this image and pull out all of its spot color elements as well. Okay, once we have the base texture generated and we can see all of our spot color elements, we're just going to turn off the ones we don't want until we get the look that we're after. So right now I'm turning off some of this background sun to bring out those trees. And now we'll zoom in and take a look at this. So we've got a nice representation of the duck and the gator here. I think that's the eye. Yep, so that's the eye right there. We can turn that off, and I actually like that better. That one's looking good. Gator looks good. And we have the trees being elevated with the logo and a little background noise and the moss coming off the trees. So I like everything here. So once we have it to our likings, just going to again hit apply, and that texture is going to be automatically generated. I'll go into my composite settings. It's in place. Again, all I have to do is set the number of passes, which sets the height. And we're ready to go. Hit OK. And now this image is ready to print. So that's another way to generate textures for graphic files based on spot colors. Very powerful feature in ImagePrint. Thanks for watching this video, and look forward to the next one.